everybody, it's Steve with Heatshield Products. Today we're going to go over a little demo. A lot of you swear up and down in the summertime that your floorboard in your car is hot enough to fry an egg. Well, we're here to show you that it is, and there's a simple, easy way to fix that. So right now we've got a hot exhaust pipe. It's got a torch going through here. We've got a pipe running through there. There's about I want to say about 3/4 of an inch of clearance between the pipe and the simulated floor pan here. So here we go. We grab an egg. See if I can do this without. There it is, it's frying. And there you go. Just like that. I got my hand on here. This product is called our Stealth Shield. It's super thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick, super lightweight, really easy to install. All you got to do is just peel up that carpet, pop it in above your sound insulation, put your carpet back down, and you're done. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate it. We hope you found a great, simple, easy way to keep your car cool. If you like this video, please share, please give us a thumbs up, and please leave some comments below on what other kind of videos you want to see us do, what other installs, and all that kind of stuff. So thank you very much and have a great day. We appreciate it.